Let's make a pot of coffee together in my brand new Smeg coffee pot. I have it here in the pastel green, and I gotta tell you, so far I am absolutely in love with it. So I'm not gonna make a full pot because it's just me, but as you can see, you just put it in the reservoir on the top, which is so easy to fill up. And once it is full, I'm just gonna add some coffee, guys. I'm just gonna add a couple scoops of coffee into the maker. Now, one thing I like about this pot is you actually don't have to have separate filters. If you want to put one in, great, but you absolutely do not need to. So I just put it directly into here and my coffee's ready to be made. So once I put it in, all you gotta do obviously is you're gonna turn the pot on. Once the light starts flashing on the power button, you know that your coffee is ready to brew. And it will flash the whole time. And honestly, it's a really quiet machine. I don't know if I've ever really heard a really loud one, but I do enjoy the quietness. There are different settings on here. You can set the timer on your coffee so that it can be ready for you in the morning when you get up or whatever time you prefer. There is an aroma setting, which is amazing, and also a keep warm setting. So you can finish your coffee throughout the morning or throughout the day, or keep it warm while you entertain with guests. I can't say enough about it. Clearly looking at it, it's absolutely beautiful, and I love the retros 50 style, and this is definitely my favorite color.
It's the morning of January 11th, and I just got this beautiful Smeg coffee maker. Here, I was ready to unpack it. I got it all set up. Got the manual, read the manual. And I even put the coffee and the water in there. When I try to plug it in, it's not working. Nothing's working. I tried holding it. It's nothing. It's not working.
Go. Back down.
Okay, so that's how small that is. This carafe, if you try to pour it at any angle, you can't empty it.